Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Welcome to Disney News Jam. And now it's time to take it over to Maria for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tip.
Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's D News Jam Cruise tip, Disney Cruise Line's photo packages. Should you purchase? Here are 5 tips on why you should choose the photo packages for your Disney Cruise Line vacation. As a Disney enthusiast and avid traveler, I always look for ways to enhance my vacation experience. And what better way than to have your photos taken, capturing memories that you usually miss out on being behind the camera yourself. One aspect that stood out to me on my Disney cruise was the incredible array of photo opportunities available throughout the sailing. We've put together these top 5 tips to help you decide if you would like the photo package for your cruise. I will delve into the various photo packages offered by Disney Cruise Line, highlighting their features, benefits, and overall value for capturing cherished memories. Tip number 1: photographers everywhere. Disney Cruise Line is renowned for its exceptional attention to detail, and this extends to their photography services. From embarkation to character meet and greets, you can count on Disney's talented photographers to be there, ensuring that you never miss a single smile or adventure. Tip number 2: extensive package options. Disney Cruise Line offers a range of photo packages tailored to suit your various needs and preferences. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with a large family, there is a package that fits just right. The options include digital packages, print packages, and combination packages, allowing you to choose the format that best suits your desires. Tip number 3: unlimited digital access. One of the standout features of Disney Cruise Line's photo packages is the option for unlimited digital access. With this package, you can download and store an unlimited number of digital photos taken by onboard photographers throughout your voyage. This is particularly convenient for those who enjoy sharing their adventures on social media or creating personalized photo albums. Tip number 4: magical moments with characters. Meeting beloved Disney characters is a highlight of any Disney cruise. With the photo packages, you can preserve these magical encounters forever. The photographers capture the joy and excitement of these moments, providing you with lasting memories to treasure. From Mickey Mouse to Elsa and everything in between, these pictures will transport you back to an enchantment of your Disney cruise. Tip number 5: convenience and peace of mind. One of the biggest advantages of purchasing a photo package is the convenience it offers. Rather than worrying about capturing every special moment yourself, you can relax and enjoy the experience while the professional photographers do their magic. This allows you to be fully present in the moment, knowing that all your memories are being captured by skilled professionals. Disney Cruise Line's photo packages truly enhance the vacation experience by providing an effortless way to capture and relive magical memories. The abundance of photographers, flexible package options, unlimited digital access, and the convenience they offer make them a valuable investment. Whether you're cruising on your own or with loved ones, these photo packages ensure that no cherished moment goes uncaptured. So set sail, embrace the magic, and let Disney Cruise Line's photographers create a treasure trove of memories for you to cherish for years to come. Another great aspect is that Shutters offers you a money-back guarantee. So if you aren't completely satisfied with your photos, and given you haven't downloaded any photos yet, you can cancel the package before the last night and receive a full refund. Don't you just love not being locked in? Please note that pricing and availability of photo packages may vary. For the most up-to-date information, we recommend to visit the official Disney Cruise Line website or the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. And that's your Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. It's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.